Welcome back to Startup Sparks. Today, we're talking about Sean Rad, the co-founder of Tinder, the app that completely transformed the way people meet and date. From its innovative swipe feature to its cultural impact, Tinder is a true startup success story. Let's dive in. 1. Sean Rad's early life and career. Sean Rad was born in 1986 in Los Angeles, California, to Iranian immigrant parents. From a young age, he showed an entrepreneurial spirit, launching small businesses and exploring creative ideas. Rad attended the University of Southern California, but left before graduating to pursue his passion for startups. His early ventures like Adly, a platform for influencer marketing, laid the groundwork for his future success. Number 2. The birth of Tinder. In 2012, Sean Rad, along with Justin Mateen, Jonathan Badeen, and a small team, launched Tinder as a project under Hatch Labs. Their goal was to create a dating app that felt fun, engaging, and easy to use. What set Tinder apart was its revolutionary swipe feature. The idea of swiping right to like someone and left to pass was simple but incredibly effective. It gamified the dating experience, making it addictive and accessible to a wide audience. Early challenges and rapid growth. Getting people to use Tinder wasn't easy at first. Sean and his team focused on college campuses, where they promoted the app at parties and events. This grassroots strategy worked, and Tinder quickly gained traction among young users. By the end of 2013, Tinder had over 1 million matches per day, proving that the app had tapped into a universal need for connection. 4. Cultural impact and success. Tinder didn't just change dating, it changed how people connect. The app's influence extends beyond romance, with users forming friendships and networking connections. Tinder became a cultural phenomenon, mentioned in movies, TV shows, and music. Its success also paved the way for other dating apps, solidifying its place as a leader in the industry. 5. Sean Rad's vision and leadership. Sean Rad's vision for Tinder was rooted in the idea of breaking down barriers. He believed that technology could make meeting new people less intimidating and more efficient. Under Rad's leadership, Tinder introduced features like Tinder Plus and Tinder Gold, which allowed users to customize their experience and increase the company's profitability. By 2015, Tinder was one of the most downloaded apps in the world. Number 6. Tinder's legacy and Sean Rad's next steps. Although Sean Rad stepped down as Tinder's CEO in 2016, his impact on the tech world remains undeniable. Tinder's swipe feature has become a blueprint for countless apps, and its global reach continues to grow. Today, Rad is focused on investing in startups and exploring new ventures, always looking for ways to innovate and make a difference. Sean Rad's story with Tinder shows that a simple idea executed well can change the world. What's your favorite Tinder feature? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring stories here on Startup Sparks. Until next time, keep dreaming big and sparking change.